Happy Monday. Raise your hand if you have a business but no idea what form is filed on your tax return. Hey guys, it's Erin. I'm dropping in for a few minutes this morning to talk about our favorite subject ever, taxes and tax forms. There's a lot of confusion, so I want to walk you through the different tax forms really quick. First off, the 1040. Everyone starts with a 1040. That is your personal tax return, filed as single, married filing jointly, married filing separately, or head of household. This is where you report your income, whether you're a W-2 employee or you get it on a 1099 or you have business income. But that all depends on how your business is set up. So let's talk about the business side quickly. Single-Member LLC. Just you, no separate business return, and your business income goes right on your personal return. Partnership or multi-member LLC, more than one owner. Whether that partner is your spouse or not, the business files its own tax return and then gives each owner what we call a K1 that says, here's your share to account for. That share goes on your personal tax return. S corporation. The business also files its own tax return and the owners get a K1. Plus, they pay themselves a paycheck. That's a requirement. This is where tax strategy starts coming in clutch, guys. And then lastly, C Corp. We don't see as many of these anymore. They're only in very specific situational requirements because the business files and pays its own tax return. So it's going to file a tax return and pay taxes. If the money then goes to the owners, you personally, you get taxed again. So yes, this is the double tax that everyone complains about. That's why we don't see it as much anymore. Bottom line, your business setup determines what gets filed, where the income shows up, and how much flexibility you have. If you're unsure which bucket you're in or whether you're in the right one, that's a really good question to talk about before you start filing taxes. For our clients, ongoing entity evaluation is part of the services that we offer as part of your monthly fee. If you're not working with a firm that's talking to you before tax season, making sure that you're doing it right, maybe it's time for a change. Happy tax filing, guys.